Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here.
Bay Real experts.
Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today we are at Island Reserve. Let's go ahead and pop that drone up in the air. And Alice, you want to tell us about this beautiful, beautiful spot?
Yes. Island Reserve is a complex off Front Beach Road. Actually, they have two entrances. There's one on Front Beach Road and there's one on Allison Avenue. They have about 300 units here. 7 buildings are condos, apartments, and 3 other buildings are the townhouses. There are 2 parking structures. We're on top of the first one that is off Front Beach Road.
You can see us at little tiny specks there at the bottom center of the screen now. You can also see how close we are to the beach. I'm going to pan to the left here real quick. If you take a straight shot down Laurie Street, which is lower left right now, you can see right there how close the Gulf of Mexico is. Okay, I'm going to pan back over to the subdivision and give you a little fly around while you go ahead and continue, Alice.
Well, I really, really love this complex. It's really cute. It's beautiful. It has that Destin look kind of a way. And the complex has a lot to offer. They have a beautiful lagoon pool, hot tub, splash pad. The clubhouse has a fitness center, an indoor basketball court, a game room, a theater room. Also, all the buildings have elevators. So if you have a unit on the 3rd floor, you can drive up to it, or you can get the elevator to go downstairs to get to the pool and go to your fitness center.
Yeah, I really, really like that feature that, you know, the parking structure is 3 levels. So if you live on the first, second, or third, you don't have to worry about an elevator. But if you just wanted to go down to the pool, yeah, you got an elevator there. And speaking of the pool, there it is, center screen. It's one of the biggest pools here of any condo or subdivision for a community pool. I think, I could be mistaken, but I think it's the second largest pool only to shores of Panama. But there you have it there. I like to call it the Disneyland resort size pool.
So I was telling you guys, there are about 300 units here. The 7 buildings there are condos. They were built in 2008. And 2 of the buildings that have the townhouses towards the back, that's the entrance of Allison Avenue. They were started to build on 2008. And, you know, when the economy crashed, they were left kind of abandoned. And a group of investors came in 2016, got it, and rebuilt it. They are beautiful 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, townhouses with a 2-car garage. And then, you know, like I said, they're close to the Allison Avenue, so you have your own in and out gate there.
Let me interrupt for a second because I'm showing the pool right now. And there is like a kiddie area and a 0 entry there. And there's like a water feature, which is very nice.
Yes, what they call the splash pad.
Yes, thank you for clarifying. Water feature. Yes, it's a pool. We know that. Thank you for describing it. A lot of fun.
They also are pet friendly. So if you walk around on the outskirts of the building, they have pet stations, so you can walk your pet, and then little trash bags and trash so you can clean up after them.
And you can see the courtyards. Most of the units either have a pool view or a courtyard view.
Oh, thank you for bringing that up, because that is my favorite buildings are the building 2, 3, and 6. Because no matter which unit you get, you're always gonna get a courtyard view. They have water fountains in the middle. They have benches for you to sit on it, and they all paved walkways with little gardens. It's very nice. You can hear the fountain from your unit, first, second, or third floor.
Yeah, if the door is open and you choose to enjoy it.
Right. That's what I'm saying. I love that. Stats-wise, so 300 units, 46 units sold within the past year. They do have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms units. So there are 5 active 1-bedroom units. There's only 1 2-bedroom unit available for sale, and there are 5 3-bedroom units for sale. In the past 6 months, 9 1-bedrooms sold, and the highest price point was $175,000. The 2-bedroom units in the past 6 months, 8 of them sold, and the highest price point was $241,000. And the 3 bedrooms, 4 sold in the past 6 months, and it was $289,000 was the top price point on them.
$289,000. So it sounds like stuff in here is moving, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, if you guys own property in here and you would like to sell it, or if you want to buy in here, we would love to help you with that. Please give us a call.
We have a property under contract in here.
That's true.
So,
all right, you guys, we're going to wrap this one up. I'm getting a little low on battery, so we will catch you on the next one. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and please share this video. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we really appreciate you for watching. Thanks again, you guys.
Thank you so much.
We'll talk to you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.
Ay, 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 ay.